Nobody's coming to save you, big dog. Don't you get that? The whole life has led to this point because of you. Your shitty decisions, your up habits, your poor choices caused you to end up in this point.
There's a moment when every boy realizes no one's coming to save him, and that's when he becomes a man. And some boys never get there and stay children forever.
Nobody else at the moment has the power to change you unless you have that initial spark and say, I must do something. I don't want this anymore. In order for something new to come, something old must go.